Okay, again, this is a review. I'm going to look at these evaluating logarithms to review the exponential and logarithm test review questions. So number 17 says the log of base 9 of 81. Okay, to evaluate that, this base of 9 to the power of x has to equal 81. Well, you might already know that 9 squared is 81, but if we turned 81 into a power of 9, it is 9 squared, so you see the exponents. We set those equal to each other, x equals 2, and that's why it evaluates at 2, okay? And of course, you could, if we found these, if you put these into the calculator, you're gonna get 2 as well. Log base 81 of 3, 81 to the x power equals 3. So we're going to write this with a base of 3. I'm going to change 81 to 3 to the 4th because that equals 81. So now it says 3 to the 4th to the x power equals 3. So now we have a like base of 3, but this exponent 4 to the power of x, that's power times power, so we multiply. So 4x equals 3, and then you divide 3 by 4 and you get 3/4. So the answer to log base 81 of 3 is 3/4, okay? All right, now this one, log base 5 of 1/25. We would write that in exponential as 5 to the x power equals 1/25. Well, 1/25 can be written with a base of 5 as 5 to the negative 2, because that's 1 over 5 squared, which is 25, so 1/25. Now with like bases, you can set the exponent equal to the exponent, so x equals negative 2, so that evaluates as negative 2. This last one here, log base 6 of 1, this would be 6 to the x power equals 1. Well, 1, anything to the 0 power is 1, so I could rewrite 1 with a base of 6 as 6 to the 0, and then you see that the exponent's equation is x equals 0, so that evaluates to 0. And then for these here, we can use our calculator to calculate these logs for 21 through 24.